Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare a cheesecake. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to go over the ingredients for the crust. I have 1 cup of almond flour. I have 2 tablespoons of erythritol sugar. I have a half of a stick of butter. I have a pinch of salt. And this is the erythritol that I'm using here. I ordered mine off of Amazon. So what I'm going to do is mix everything together in this 9-inch pie crust pan. I'm going to microwave the butter to melt that, and then I'm going to mix it again. Okay, I'm going to pour the butter in the pan, the pie pan, and I'm going to mix everything together. I spreaded the almond flour, sugar, and salt over the pan here, and I'm going to place it in the oven for 35 minutes at 350 degrees. While the crust is cooking in the oven, I'm going to go ahead and start on the filling for the cheesecake. I did mention that this is a keto cheesecake. So let me go ahead and show you the ingredients that I will be using. 1 lemon. I'm going to grate it and grate about a teaspoon of lemon. And I'm going to squeeze the lemon in the cheesecake. I have 2 eggs. They are 8 ounces, so I have 4 packs of cream cheese. And I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Use 1 cup of erythritol. I'm adding 1 cup of sugar, sugar-free sugar. The erythritol. A half a teaspoon of salt, sea salt. And now I'm going to add 2 eggs. I added the lemon zest in the bowl. I'm going to add the juice of the lemon. I'll turn on the blender. Blend the sugar, eggs, lemon zest, and also lemon juice. I'm adding the room temperature cream cheese. The bowl. Add the cream cheese to the bowl. I took my crust out of the oven after 15 minutes, so it's cooked already. So instead of leaving it in there for 35 minutes. I added the 4 packs of cream cheese, so now I'm going to mix it together. cream cheese filling is so smooth. So I'm ready to add it to the pan. Here's the crust for the keto cheesecake. So it's still kind of warm, so I have to wait until it cools. I'm adding it to the pie crust. I just smoothed out the top of the cheesecake, and now I'm gonna place it in the oven. I just took the cheesecake out of the oven, so I'm gonna let you see what it looks like. Okay, here it is, and it smells delicious, look delicious. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place it in the refrigerator so it can cool off. I baked this cheesecake at 350 degrees for 35 minutes. So now I'm gonna place it in the refrigerator. I'm gonna add a little swerve to the top of the cheesecake. Oops, I didn't mean to put that much on it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and refrigerate it again. Just gonna oh, this cheesecake is really good. Mmm. Mmm. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Also comment on my recipes. Have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching.